warning signs your muscles are slipping away, and the surprising fruits that can save you. Is climbing the stairs starting to feel like a chore? Does bending down to grab something off the floor take more effort than it used to? Don't ignore these red flags. They could be early signs of a silent condition that robs your strength day by day: age-related muscle loss. For millions over 60, this slow decline creeps in unnoticed until simple tasks become exhausting. But here's the truth: losing muscle isn't an inevitable part of aging. Getting older is natural, but watching your strength fade? That's preventable. And the solution isn't an expensive supplement or extreme workout. It could be on your kitchen counter. Certain everyday fruits contain natural compounds that protect your muscles, reduce sarcopenia risk, and help you stay strong, mobile, and independent longer. In today's video, we'll reveal 5 powerhouse fruits that do exactly that. No prescriptions, no powders, no gimmicks. Backed by science, safe for those with diabetes or heart concerns, and found in any grocery store. These fruits are your frontline defense against muscle decline. And the final fruit? It's shockingly common, yet few realize it holds the most muscle-supporting power of them all. So don't miss this. Watch until the end to find out which fruit is working miracles for your strength. If you're serious about protecting your health after 60, tap that subscribe button and drop a comment. We're here to bring you real solutions every day. Number 1, avocado. It looks harmless. You might toss it on toast or add it to a salad. But what if this creamy fruit could save your muscles from slow breakdown? Most know it's good for the heart, but few realize it's a defense against age-related muscle loss, a condition that leaves you weaker, slower, and more vulnerable to falls and fatigue. As we get older, inflammation rises, chipping away at muscle tissue, starting sarcopenia. Avocados fight back with monounsaturated fats that calm inflammation and protect tissues. They're richer in potassium than bananas, a mineral that keeps muscles firing properly, alongside magnesium, which prevents cramps and steadies your heartbeat. That means better stability, fewer stumbles, more strength in every step. Avocados also contain vitamin E, an antioxidant shielding muscles from wear and tear, and 10 grams of fiber per medium fruit, regulating blood sugar, crucial for diabetes or energy crashes. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors eating more monounsaturated fats had better mobility and lower frailty risk. Another showed lutein in avocados linked to stronger muscles and better performance in aging adults. You don't need a recipe book. Slice it, mash it, blend it into smoothies, or make creamy chocolate pudding. It's versatile. Worried about sugar or cholesterol? Avocados have 0 cholesterol, barely any sugar, and healthy fats, keeping you full and energized without crashes from sugary snacks. The power to protect your strength might be in your fruit basket. Number 2, tart cherries. You know that stiff, dragging feeling when you swing your legs out of bed and it already hurts to move? Or the unexplained ache in your shoulders by late afternoon? That heaviness, that soreness, it's not just getting older. It's a red flag. Tart cherries, not the sweet ones you snack on in the summer, are loaded with anthocyanins, compounds proven to crush inflammation, ease pain, and protect muscles from breaking down. Think of inflammation like a fire burning inside you quietly. You may not see the flames, but it's weakening muscles. Tart cherries put that fire out. Multiple clinical trials show tart cherry juice helps muscles recover faster, even after extreme exertion. Athletes who ran marathons or lifted heavy weights had experienced less soreness and faster recovery after a few days of tart cherry juice. Imagine what that could do for you without a gym. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found runners who drank tart cherry juice for 7 days before a race had less pain afterward, with muscles bouncing back faster. Another from Oregon Health and Science University confirmed older adults drinking tart cherry juice had reduced muscle damage with no side effects. Whether walking daily or stretching, tart cherries help you stay strong and move without soreness. They also contain melatonin, improving sleep quality and duration, key for muscle repair. Diabetic friendly as 100% pure juice, no added sugar, they're low glycemic and easy to add. Not a juice fan? Try capsules or dried cherries on yogurt or oatmeal. Check with your doctor if on medications, but for most, tart cherries are natural, gentle, and powerful. Number 3. Pomegranate. You might think those tiny seeds are just decoration, but they're loaded with polyphenol, especially punicalagin, targeting oxidative stress, a threat to aging bodies. If you feel drained after light activity, or take longer to recover from walking, oxidative stress may be to blame, eating away at strength. Pomegranate seeds act like armor, shielding muscle fibers. They also supercharge blood flow by boosting nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels to send oxygen and nutrients to muscles, improving energy, stamina, and recovery. A Journal of Nutrition study showed older adults taking pomegranate extract had less fatigue and more endurance. Another found faster recovery and less soreness, even without intense workouts. Whether tidying the house or climbing stairs, this fruit makes a difference. Pomegranates support mitochondria, your cell's powerhouses, for better energy and movement. Try arrows, sprinkle on yogurt, toss in salads, or blend into smoothies. They're tangy and antioxidant rich. Pomegranate juice can be high in sugar, so choose 100% pure. Limit to 4 to 6 ounces daily, or stick to seeds for fiber and digestion benefits. Number 4. Prunes. Dried plums with wrinkled skin hold a powerful mission to protect against muscle breakdown and support growth. Backed by science, prunes are packed with chlorogenic acid, neochlorogenic acid, and rutin, antioxidants that fight inflammation and oxidative stress, which leave you stiff and weak. They defend muscle fibers, reduce joint inflammation, and speed recovery. Polyphenol in prunes activate IGF-1, a hormone supporting muscle formation. A lab study showed prune extract increased muscle cell size and protein synthesis, the process for strength. Prunes also provide boron, a mineral enhancing calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D use, crucial for muscle and bone health, especially for those at risk of sarcopenia and osteoporosis. Their soluble fiber stabilizes blood sugar and cholesterol, keeping energy steady and avoiding midday crashes. Snack on them, add to oatmeal, blend into smoothies, or mix with nuts for energy balls. Naturally sweet, low glycemic, and safe for diabetics in moderation, prunes are a muscle-preserving powerhouse too many ignore. Number 5. Apple. Beneath its crisp skin lies ursolic acid, a game-changing compound. In lab studies, mice given ursolic acid didn't just stop losing muscle. They gained it, even under wasting conditions, activating growth and blocking breakdown. Early human research suggests ursolic acid boosts IGF-1, signaling muscle repair, and reduces myostatin, which limits muscle growth. Less myostatin means more strength potential. Apples also have quercetin, protecting mitochondria, your muscle cells' power generators, for more energy and less fatigue. Pectin, a soluble fiber, stabilizes blood sugar, supports gut health, and reduces inflammation, aiding muscle nutrient absorption. Never peel apples, the skin holds most ursolic acid. Wash well, go organic, and eat whole, slice for breakfast, or dip in almond butter. Low glycemic, especially with protein or fiber, apples provide steady energy and hydration. A University of Iowa study found ursolic acid boosted muscle, cut fat, and improved blood sugar control, key for healthy aging. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. May also keep muscle loss at bay, helping you stay strong into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. That crisp bite is a daily fight against muscle decline. These 5 fruits, avocados, tart cherries, pomegranates, prunes, apples, aren't just snacks, they're your lifeline. No trainer or supplements needed, just the right foods, eaten with intention. They fuel strength, support recovery, and ignite energy. Start small, an apple with oatmeal, prunes after breakfast, cherry juice before bed. No stress, just daily victories telling your body, I'm not giving in. I'm rebuilding. I'm staying strong. The result? More energy, deeper sleep, less soreness, more confidence. You won't just feel stronger, you'll be stronger. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about honoring your strength with real fuel. Every bite says, I'm still here, I still matter, I'm not done. Share your story below. Have you tried these fruits? Notice changes in energy or movement. Your voice might motivate someone. If this resonated, give a thumbs up and subscribe to Senior Health Tips for natural, joyful strength building tips daily. Take care, your strongest self is still ahead.